Welcome back to another react. Gonna try something a little different this time, but also kind of the same. Um, One of these videos where it has a bunch of memes, I guess. I'm not really big on memes. I don't really understand most of them because I just don't get the reference most of the time. But I wanted to try this out, see if, I don't know, and make me laugh, see how I react. And I wanted y'all to join along with me. So, without further ado, here's the first video by Meme Sheep. Perfectly Cut Screams Memes 11. I couldn't find 1 through 10, so here we go.
It seems this guy did.
Oh.
So it seems this guy didn't build a very deep burrow.
Oh.
You won't let go of me.
Oh, what's happening here?
Bring out the olive.
Mano, obviamente que não, né? Eu botei fita, aí tu fecha e é sucesso, né, meu amigo?
Idiot.
Okay, I found a mine shaft. Epic. Nice. Shit, get up, get up, get up, get up, get the
Can a
hell
creeper
up. Oh my
climb?
god. Creeper. Okay.
Oh.
That's на тележке. На тележке.
Okay.
She's here. I think she's coming back.
Okay.
Hanggang
Whoa.
dalawa lang yung pwede. So, at kung mag-isa ka lang, dapat nasa dulo ka at naka-face mask pa rin. Pero kailangan, ito na po.
Can we already see this? Oh. Okay, that was funny. Okay, that was funny. All right. Okay.
Can I ask your dog something? Yeah. Can I get an ow ow?
You dare speak to me in that tone of voice, boy?
That dog. Do it. Okay. All right, I'm getting it.
Seen this guy? Look at that, 3 guys can't score. Oh, come on.
Oh.
I hit him and then we got 3 stars again.
Oh, you got 3 stars? You're
Yeah, I thought it was a civilian, not a goddamn cop.
22 oasis! 23 oasis! 24 oasis!
I don't get it.
25
All right.
Hit it?
What happened? Oh. Hey, it's a kitty. What we doing here? Oh.
This is how I make my comeback. Shakira, Shakira. Everybody's saying Shakira is higher than the Chicago Cubs. What they don't know is that 2017 is the year after the Cubs won the World Series. Show me the money.
So, how degenerate is this? Well,
I don't
the
get
first
it.
stop to a rabbit hole takes us to a YouTube channel known as Chica Japonesa.
Are they full cooked yet?
Hey, Gang Grumps.
Let's eat them. I thought. Grab it. Don't grab it. Brad, what are you?
Hapchu. Hachu. Hachu.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I apologize for that. That was good. Oh man, tears coming out my eyes. That was good. That was funny. That was good. I'd see that again. Let's see that again.
합주. 하츄. 하츄.
Even funnier second time. Very good stuff. Okay, I'm into this now. I get it. Nah, that was good. That was good. I'm gonna be thinking about that for a while.
Okay, what should I do today? Oh, man, are you sure? Jeez, can I spin again? Jeez, why are you so mean? You wanna fight, bro? Oh yeah? What are you gonna do about it?
What?
Turn around? What the?
Yeah, I get it. That's pretty good.
No!
Oh. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Baby Yoda!
I feel so loose. Can I dance? Am I dancing? Whoa. Whoa. I want to do the whip.
Oh, is he drugged up?
Hit him with the nay. Yeah. Hit him.
Dude, do your arm hurt? Where you at? Oh. Do my arm hurt? Holy freak, I got a class. Class? A cast, boy. Class. It's got class. Ooh.
Quit looking at it.
I was hoping to do this with a woman. this is a porno POV.
Hey, that's a good mustache.
Well, it is.
Huh? Oh.
Wanna build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snow.
I have secured peace, freedom, justice, and security for my new empire. Your new empire? Don't make me kill you. Anakin, my allegiance is to the Republic, to democracy. If you are not with me, then you are my enemy. Only a Sith deals in absolutes.
What's up with the guy in the back?
I will do what I must. You will try.
I'm just not cool
Okay.
for white supremacy, y'all.
Hey! Nice.
You ever wanted to play a game with your parents? Well, introducing Beat the Parents, a fun game for the whole family. Hey, Mom! Your turn.
Okay. And it was a bit and it was a bit wild, but all right. So, yeah, it was funny. I get it. You know, some of the stuff was funny, some stuff wasn't. But I appreciate the person who put the video together. Perfectly Cut Screams, that was number 11. Apparently, 1 through 10 that I couldn't find. Here's number 2. Maybe I'll check that out. You know, maybe I won't. But yeah, I'll leave the link for the video in the description. I wasn't even looking at y'all the whole time. I apologize. I'm not used to the camera being up there. I'm probably going to move it. But yeah, that was funny. I appreciated it. Y'all take care.